Hey guys, it's RT channel and thank you for watching us. Reusable shopping bags are the green way to go. They're great for grocery, shopping or just anything. The ones you buy from stores usually don't have perfect look and not so durable. So by making your own, you can choose the fabric, adjust the size, and they are stronger than store-bought bags. So let's get started. Measure pieces of fabric and stabilizer for body part, for handle part, and for the pocket part. Sew up and down the opposite side of the fabric and stabilizer. Then turn it over to the right side and sew up and down from the edge. Repeat for the other handle. Stitch the fabric and stabilizer from the wrong side to 0.5 cm from the edge. Then turn it over to the right side and stitch again. Measure 17 cm from the edge of the stabilizer and make a line for folding. Do the same for the fabric part. Now stitch the two sides of our pocket. Cut 8 cm square from each piece of fabric and stabilizer. This is gonna be the bottom part of our bag. Fold in half the front side of the bag and mark where to insert the handle. Put the handle and insert the pocket between the edges of the handle. the other handle on the back side and secure with a pin. Now stitch the pocket and the handles with 0.5 cm allowance. Now put the stabilizer on the right side of each part and make a top stitch. Press the seam open. Now we're gonna connect the body parts. Place the two pieces with right sides together and secure with a pin. Pin and sew the edges when leaving an opening for turning. Fold the bottom part of fabric and stabilizer, secured with a pin, and apply stitches. Connect the bottom part of stabilizer and fabric and apply stitches. Turn the bag to the wrong side and sew the top with 0.5 cm allowance. Make sure to fix the opening for turning with hand sewing. Here we go! A compact foldable tote bag is ready! See how stylish and compact is this bag. You can put a lot of stuff into it because it's quite deep inside. I'm sure you can easily repeat this by yourself. In case you have any questions or feedback regarding the tutorial, please feel free to ask in the comments below. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be the first to see our next video. See you next time!